how to fix ChatGPT Access Denied. Since I have already fixed my problem, you will not be able to see that Access Denied problem here. But what I can suggest you is, the first thing that you need to do is to click on this three dots line and click on Settings on your browser. And after that, go to Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data. And what I would just suggest you to do is to tick mark on cookies and other site data, click on Cached Images and Files, and click on Clear Data. And after you do this, go and refresh your OpenAI again. And if this still does not help, go to Settings and Privacy again, and click on Cookies and Other Site Data, and scroll it down, and here you can see all data and permissions. Just click on the option, and from here on the search bar, click on OpenAI and delete it. And after that, refresh your page again. And after this, you should be able to access to the ChatGPT. I hope this solution really helps you. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and do not forget to leave us a like and comment. Till then, I'll see you in the next tutorial.